Hi guys, today I'm working on the bathtub handle here, the hot water. The knob is coming off and it's getting hard to adjust the water, and so I want to repair that today. I came across a really nice handle or knob. I want to show you guys that and share that with you today. Before I do anything, I want to apologize for the mess here, for how gross all this is, so please just bear with me with that. So let me show you what I've done here. I had the little plastic cap here for the hot. Took that off, unscrewed it here, and it was not this loose, but it was pretty loose, and I was able to just kind of give a good jerk on it, pull it off. Okay, before I show you the inside of the handle, here's the cartridge stem, and now let me show you the inside of the handle so you can get an idea how it fits on this stem here, this cartridge. Okay, so when I pulled the handle off, it was in one piece, and there's a little piece right here comes out. This is what you tighten onto that stem that you saw earlier. There's an Allen screw in here, so you find your correct Allen wrench and just screw this onto the stem. Okay, mine was worn out here, and you can see the screw is screwed down all the way, and it's still really loose. I wanted to take this out. It was stuck on there. It had been on there for a long time. Like I said, it was in one piece. If you think you can, tighten yours, if you have a setup like this, let me just give you an idea of how to get it off. First of all, if you're like me and you're going to have a lot of soap scum here, you're going to kind of have a hard time getting it off. You can take some needle nose pliers and maybe pull it out. I wasn't able to do that. What I did was soak it with some penetrating oil and just let it sit for 15, 20, 30 minutes. And what I did was turned it over. I just used an Allen wrench. You can use a screwdriver. Just stick it in there. Turn it back over on that Allen wrench. Sorry for the camera here, guys. And once you've got it touching on the other end there, just tap the top of it here with a screwdriver or hammer. You should just pop it out. Once you've got it, out, you can take a look and see if you've got any, extra screw here to tighten it on that stem again. If not, you're probably going to have to replace this and possibly, just start over like I had to do. If you're like me and you're trying to find the most inexpensive way to make this repair and you want to keep your handle, you can find a universal piece like this that does go in the handle. It's going to have 3 Allen screws, like you see here. They're very small, and that's what I didn't like about this. This is about $4. I'm missing 2. I'll tell you about that in just a second, but they're very small, like I said, and they really don't tighten that far, and that's how big they are. So what happened with me is I was trying to adjust this. 2 of my screws fell out when I was trying to adjust it. They fell into my carpet in my bathroom, which is it's kind of a plush carpet, never to be seen again. I couldn't find them, so I was back to square one. So what I went ahead and did was get this universal. It's got the handle and the hardware inside it. Took it out of the package at the store here before I bought it. It looks really good. It looks like it's really going to work well. So what we have with this handle here, that's going to be clear. Going to have to opt for clear, and I'm fine with that. There's this piece here that clamps onto that cartridge stem. has 2 Allen screws, one there and one there. You can see how much bigger they are. And not only is the Allen screw bigger, but they're not actually holding the stem in place. As I screw it, this whole plate moves. And stop right there, and then on the other side you do the same thing. And you can see how close they get. So if you have a stripped out stem like mine, that's definitely going to clamp onto it. You can see the jaws that you have there. It's like a vice grip. So this looks like it's going to work. This is about $8. Once you clamp it onto your cartridge stem, take this little plate off here. You have the screw here, little washer. Okay, it also comes with 2 other screws, and does have the Allen wrench too, so that's handy. It does have 2 other screws. Just find the screw that matches up best with your cartridge stem, and you know, this is going to be on your stem. Then you put that little back plate on. Okay, after you do that, you can follow up with the handle. Now the handle has some little grooves in the bottom here that go in here. So line those up. Find your screw, put it in place, screw it in. Put that little cap back on, guys, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and we'll see how good it works. It's clamped on now. Put this piece in place. There we go. Go grab a screwdriver. Make sure the shower's not on. That's it. It works great, guys. There it is. Danco or Danco. Universal, fits any faucet. Hope the video's been helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.